Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. Welcome to my humble abode. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well. So I have some good news. Some states are now opening up their unemployment applications for self-employed personnel, which would include gig workers, and it looks like it includes Uber and Lyft drivers as well. So I'm gonna run through New York set up their unemployment website for self-employed, and it looks like a lot of other states will follow similar suit as well. And many states, every single day, maybe every week, or throughout the next couple of weeks, will be opening up their applications as well for self-employed. So I'm just gonna run through it, take you along till it actually tells you what to put in for their it actually tells you how to fill out the application. So I'm just gonna sync up my computer here and then we can just look at it together. By the way guys, my name's Dylan. Hi, nice to meet you. This is my channel, the Rideshare Hub. I currently am not driving for Uber and Lyft, and I don't know if you are, but yeah, that's me. Great introduction, Dylan. All right, now let's get started. So here we have it, guys. This is an actual guide on how to apply for unemployment for Uber, Lyft, and self-employed. So this is New York's website that they have. All I simply did, and you can do this as well, is go to New York, type in unemployment, and it is, the first link that pops up is this one right here. And it goes, unemployment insurance, things you need to know to file your claim, file a claim now. The best way to file a new claim for unemployment insurance is through our improved online filing system. And then you see this right here, guys. It goes, if you are self-employed, you may now file for unemployment insurance benefits online. See the guidance for self-employed individuals. So it says you can now, if you're self-employed, are Uber drivers self-employed? Uber drivers are considered self-employed in the eyes of the IRS. There you go, guys. So here we go, let's click here, and it tells you we are your DOL, Department of Labor, guidance for self-employed individuals, how to file an unemployment insurance claim on New York State Department of Labor's website. Personal information, part 1. How many employers have you worked for in the past 18 months? In answering this question, count yourself as an employer if you were self-employed. In the example below, if you had no other employment in the 18 months, select one employer from the drop-down menu. So this is what your unemployment application will look like. So these ones here, obviously you fill out your name, date of birth, everything. And then how many employers have you worked for in the last months? 18 months, one employer. Question number 5, other than part-time work, on-call work, or owning a single-family rental unit, do you have a business or are you engaged in any activity which brings in or may bring in income? In answering this question, think of yourself as a business or any activity and identify whether you are still self-employed or if that still brings in or may bring in income. In the example below, select no if you're no longer self-employed or if your self-employment no longer brings in income. So really quickly, guys, I just want to say, New York, shout out to New York for doing this. This is a great thing that they're doing for people. One of the biggest problems that I've noticed is that it's been really confusing and unclear on how we should file for unemployment if we are self-employed. I am self-employed, but I do YouTube and stuff, and I don't know. First of all, in California it's not really set up yet, but I don't think I will file just because I'm technically a YouTuber, and yeah. Earnings definitely are down, ad revenue is down, but hey, I don't know. I don't really know what to do for that. And did you lose all of your employment in the last 18 months? So if you were still working, like if you're still going out and doing gig ops, just say no. Or if you did, or if you stopped, then say yes. Are you currently, or were you during the past 18 months? Blah, 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 blah. Right here, it tells you to say no for this if you are no longer self-employed or if your self-employment no longer brings an income. So you would click no if you stop, and then your federal employer identification number is a 9-digit number which can be found on your copy of the W-2 form of the employer. So if you're self-employed, leave blank, it says. Don't even fill it out. If you do not know the FEIN, ER number, if you don't like have one, then just click leave blank. Leave blank. Last employer name, type self-employed. Like, you don't even put your name. I know Jacob Letman put his own name, and I know a lot of people are putting Uber. I'm not saying what you should do. I'm telling you that New York is telling you to put self-employed. Address, enter either your business or residential address. There you go. Employer's phone number, enter either your business or your residential phone number or cell phone number. Your personal cell phone number, guys. So here's what it would look like. And that's it, guys. Those are what you fill out for the self-employed. So yeah, honestly, it looks pretty straightforward. I'm going to be checking in with everybody. I think, hold on, really quickly, let's look at, I think Massachusetts. Is Massachusetts? Because I also have this, guys. Hold on, look at this really quick. I had a screenshot of this person. Let me just bring this up really quick. So this person commented on my page today. He goes, I was accepted and received my first payment this week. Don't give up, keep trying. Hey Dwight, that sounds awesome. That's awesome. Did you sign up as a self-employed person or from your employer? As in, who did you list your employer? He put self-employed and then Uber. Oh wow, that's awesome. When did you apply and what state are you in, says Dylan. Oh wow, I applied in, I believe, first week of April and I'm in Minnesota. Okay, great to hear. Thanks for sharing. How much was your first payment, if you don't mind me asking? I received 270 equals 540 plus 600, 1140 total. I don't know why I got 270, but it looks like maybe it was behind a week or something. So yeah, let's go to Minnesota really quick and see what they're saying for drivers. Applicants, yeah, this looks, maybe we can start typing in self-employed and see if they do have a website. And employment benefits, eligibility. Let's see if there's anything in here for self-employed. Self-employment income. So they do. Oh no, self-employed. Self-employment. Individuals earning self-employment income are eligible for UI benefits if they work less than 32 hours in a week, are actively looking for work as an employee, and are willing to adjust their schedule or quit self-employment work due to another job. Individuals who meet these will receive 50% of their income, 50% of the benefit payment deducted if they are self-employed. So let's see. I mean, the person, she said she got it, or he said he got it. So let's just see really quick. I think it's this one. Is there anything on here that says self-employed? I'm self-employed. Oh, here we go. Look at this. There's actually Q&A. We are currently awaiting guidance from the U.S. Department of Labor to implement the blank aid, relief, and economic. I gotta say blank because I don't want to get. If you would like to submit application for unemployment before we receive federal guidance, please follow this guide specifically. After that, we will notify you. So they're actually encouraging, well, not encouraging, but they're allowing people to still file before they update their site and using this guide. So let's look at this guide too. For self-employed and contract workers, I'll leave the links to this all down below, guys, so don't worry. You know, you can look at this all on your own. It looks like it's pretty similar to the last one, guys. A lot of this stuff, it says like leave blank. But yeah, I mean, hostesses, restaurants, coffee shop. I wonder if there's any Uber. No, there's no Uber or Lyft in here. Maybe Rideshare? No. But yeah, but for self-employed and contract workers, so that's Uber and Lyft drivers, guys. Apply online. They have a schedule. So this is, you know, this is the self-employed for Minnesota. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's how you guys apply. Again, I'm gonna leave the links down below so you guys can check it out yourself. I went through the whole New York one, and then the Minnesota one was just like 50 pages long. So you guys can go over that on your own time. And then if you want to still apply before the thing sets up, like some of these sites, some of these states are encouraging but allowing you to do so following this protocol, or you can wait until the self-employed application comes out, because it looks like I don't think hardly any states have those self-employed applications out yet. But I guess what you can do, well, I don't want to tell you what to do, but what you could do, and a lot of these states are saying you can as well, is fill out the typical unemployment application before the gig workers were included in the stimulus bill, and follow their guidelines for that, and you could get approved. Like some people already are. Some people literally are already getting approved. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye guys.